One of the places you cannot afford to miss here in Rome, Italy is the Piazza di Spagna.